Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. So I still haven't received my May Boxycharm, but I did receive my limited edition skincare box by Boxycharm and I'm super excited. I know some of the stuff that's coming in here, I saw some sneak peeks. To be honest, it is so hard to avoid Boxycharm sneak peeks for the regular boxes too. It's like all over Instagram, all over YouTube, at least for me, since I watch like all subscription box content. I come across some spoiler videos from time to time, but I am super excited. So unfortunately this is no longer available. It sold out pretty quickly, not as quickly as I anticipated, because I know they had a limited edition box last year. I did not get that. That was before I was on YouTube. I still was getting Boxycharm, I believe, but this one sold out in like 2 days or something like that. Like first it was available to just annual members, which I'm not, I pay seasonally, and then the next day it opened up, so I was able to snag one and I am very happy. I have a lot of skincare products, but I'm still in the search for perfect items or, you know, ideal items for my skin. And skin types do tend to change season to season, so I'm always willing to try out new things. But anyways, did I tell you the price of this yet? It was $49.99, I believe. Definitely around $50. So anyways, let's get unboxing. If you guys are curious about Boxycharm, the normal subscription, that is $21. It's a beauty subscription. It's monthly. I will leave my referral link down below. You can look at their website and learn more about them, but I'm pretty sure on this channel we all know what Boxycharm is. But I almost forgot to remind you, I do have a few giveaways going on. I will link those in the description box as always. So I open it. This is what I see. So it looks like a regular Boxycharm box, just a little bit bigger, and there is a card on top. It says Boxy Limited Skincare, Unlimited Glow, Limited Quantities. So that's what the front part is. And on the back, it tells you a little bit about each product, along with their retail price. I believe everything in here is full size, which is cool. So yeah, let's get started. Oh yeah, look, there's so much stuff in here, you guys. This is jam-packed. Awesome, and there's some brands I've been really dying to try in here. I'll just start from like left to right, I guess. Oh, the box is kind of open. So this is by Pore. This is the coconut cleansing oil. It says Purify and Replenish. I have only used one thing by Pore before. I believe I received it like in a FabFitFun from like last summer, and it was like a coconut rose toner spray, or I don't know if there's rose in it, but it was a toner spray. So let's see. Oh, I like their packaging. Oh, and I've tried their like lip gloss, which I really liked. I think I got that in a box of Style. That was really good. I finished that up quickly. I don't know, too quickly, but I used it like all the time when I had it. So I'm definitely excited to try this because everything I have tried from this company I enjoy, and the packaging is so cute. Feels cool too. So it says it is sand sulfate, paraben free, vegan, all the good stuff. So yeah, definitely excited to try this. Let's look at the card and see how much this baby costs. Wow, this is $32. And it says, it's time to take a break. It's time to break up with clogged pores. Your new Pore coconut cleansing oil gently kicks out the makeup, impurities, and environmental toxins that are living in and on your skin without stripping it of its natural moisture. The restorative antioxidants brighten your complexion, leaving behind an even skin tone and a very soft surface. Cool. I have so many cleansers right now, but I will definitely use this once I am ready for it. Next up, a brand I have fallen in love with because of Boxycharm, Elemis. This is a superfood night cream. This is a prebiotic night cream. It's advanced skincare. We received an Elemis facial moisturizer in our Boxylux and I loved it. That is long gone. It's like $89, so I bet this is expensive. So I'll look in just a moment, but it looks like you apply this every morning or every evening to cleanse dry skin. I think the color of this packaging is really cool. So it's like a pump, which I appreciate. $45. I honestly thought it'd be more. So yeah, already we have surpassed the price I paid for this box with the first two items. Like this is pretty much the price of the box, plus a few dollars. So it says, wake up with glowing, healthy looking skin every single day thanks to the newest member of your nighttime skincare routine. This Elemis Superfood Night Cream is packed with superfood lipids, chia, black seed, rice bran, and flaxseed oils that work all night long to keep your complexion intensely hydrated. The concentrated Superine Complex replenishes your skin barrier for a way smoother and way softer skin. Awesome. I'm so excited. I'll probably start using this right away. I've been using some retinol and my skin's like a little dry in the weirdest places, like right on the tip of my nose. It's like you can like feel the dryness in like right here, my chin and right here. Like, so normally like, you know, when people are oily in their T-zone, that's like, I think I concentrated my retinol like too much there or something. So I definitely could use some moisturization. So I'm excited. Next up is something by Glam Glow, which I believe a lot of people have received a Glam Glow cleanser in the regular Boxycharm this month. But this is the Glam Glow Super Serum 6 Acid Refining Treatment. Ooh, yes. It's supposed to exfoliate, plump, and be pore refining. And it has the super acid blend. There's 6 acids in here. I'm so excited about this, you guys. There's lactic, pyruvic, tartaric, mandelic, glycolic, and salicylic acid. Yes. I don't even know what one of those are. Did I even say that right? Tartaric? Okay, let's see what this looks like. Oh, it says hello sexy on it. Can you guys see that? That's kind of funny, yeah. Hey. Awesome. There's like some information sheet on the side. I like the packaging. It's cool. And this is what the actual bottle looks like, which I think looks really nice and like, you know, bougie a little bit. So I'm super excited. I bet this is expensive. Glam Glow is expensive. Wow, $65. This is the most expensive thing so far. It says this new Glam Glow Super Serum. Oh, that's cool. It's a new product. Works to instantly clarify pores and plump fine lines. Powered by activated charcoal to refine pores. The Super 6 Acid Blend, a high potency complex of exfoliating AHAs, BHA, and PHA. What's PHA? Is that the word? I didn't know. I need to do some research. It works on different layers of the skin to loosen dead skin cells, promote cell renewal, and even the look of dull skin tone and texture. Awesome. I'm really excited to try this. Right now I'm using a Saturday Skin. I looked down because I think there's a Saturday Skin product in this box. I'm currently using a Saturday Skin serum. Wow, lost for words right now. That I received from Influencer, and I really like it. And I've been using it all the time. So I'll definitely use this once I am done with that. I might try it out still, I don't know. I'm trying to stick with like one thing at a time, but we'll see. Since I said Saturday Skin, I'm just gonna grab that product. This is a brand I really like. I've been using not only that serum I told you about, but also an eye cream that I received from Influencer. I'll link that video if you guys are interested. It was a really good box. But this is the Rub-A-Dub Refining Peel Gel. Ooh, yay. This is an exclusive peptide formula that promotes skin's natural regeneration process. Let's see. So this is a mask. Oh, it's such a cute package. Their other packaging is cute too. So this says, start over by gently rubbing dullness away. This is good after a long winter. Oh, excuse me. Okay, so you apply this after cleansing and then gently apply to the face and rub in circular motion for 1 minute. So it's not like a peel off mask, but it's supposed to like help get away like any like extra dead skin cells and stuff. I've used something like this by Real Chemistry before. I'm guessing this is what it's like. That's like their 3-minute peel or something like that it's called. So I'm excited to try this. I really liked that product by Real Chemistry. Why am I so slow? I need another coffee. So this is $28 and it says gently and visibly remove impurities and dullness from your skin with your new Saturday Skin Rub-A-Dub Refining Peel Gel. Created with enzyme from papaya and pineapple extracts, this peel gel promotes an even skin tone and boosts skin's elasticity with a super peptide complex. I'm really excited about that. Nice. So there's a few more things in here. The next thing is by a brand I've never tried, but we've all seen this on Instagram, the Farsali. I've seen most of their like primer, I don't know what they are, but they're like drops, but this is a Jelly Beam Illuminator. This is what the outer packaging looks like. So I think this is like a jelly highlight. Ooh. The packaging's cool. Like gold top, glass bottom. Let's see. I'm afraid if I like open this really fast it'll come out or something. Oh, it's taped. I was like, why can't I get this? So it's packaged well. It's good. Whoa. This really is like a jelly. Can you guys see that like moving around? I feel this. Oh my god. Can you guys see? This is so cool. Okay, so I have some on my finger. Whoa, this is like, I've never tried anything like this. So just on my finger it looks like this. Ooh, that is like gold. Hopefully this works on my skin tone. I would need like less than this. I'd probably put it on my hand and then tap it onto my cheeks. I already have highlighter on or else I would try it. But this is cool. I'm kind of glad that we got like a makeup product too in the skincare box. So let me read about it. I wonder if there's like skincare properties in it or what. So this Forcelli Jelly Beam Highlighter is $40. It says you're definitely ready for this jelly. Your new Forcelli Jelly Beam Highlighter applies as a gel and sets as a powder. Cool. Always delivering a high shine finish. This concentrated pigment makes this product really versatile, letting you customize your glow. Cool. I'm really excited to try that. It does seem like it's like more of a powder finish now. It's so cool. Next thing is by Caudalie. God, I learned how to say this brand and I don't know if I'm saying it right now. Caudalie. Can someone correct me again, please? So this is their grape water. Oh my God, I think I had a sample of this like forever ago. This is supposed to soothe and moisturize your skin. I love facial sprays, so let's read about this one. This is $10. That's a reasonable price. It says it's extracted from French grapes. Your new Caudalie, or however you say it, organic grape water helps increase hydration and reduces redness. Safe for sensitive skin, the fragrance and preservative-free mist can be used as a toner, giving your skin lots of soothing, moisturizing love. Awesome. This will be really handy in the summer months when we're getting more sun. I love having stuff like this around. Just soothes your skin, it makes you feel good, and also using it as a toner before makeup. I bet you can even use it to set your makeup, maybe. We'll have to try it out. Okay, so next I see 2 of these masks, which I have tried before. I got one in my previous Allure box and I loved it. Like, I actually have one, like an empty of this to talk about my empties video, which I'll do eventually, because I liked it so much. I don't keep all my sheet masks, but this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Jelly Sheet Mask, hydrating and soothing. So this really is like a gel and it just sits in your skin so easily. Like, I know some people complain about sheet masks kind of slipping off, like if they try and do stuff instead of just like lay down and relax when they do their sheet masks, which is what I usually do. But this one like actually sticks to your face, and I felt there's actually a difference in my skin after using it. I love that we have 2, and like, okay, how cute is the packaging? Like, awesome. I think these are kind of expensive too. Yeah, it says the Glow Recipe Watermelon Sheet Mask, $16. So they're like $8 each, so a little bit more than like most sheet masks. It says hydrate, brighten, and soften your skin with a sheet mask literally like no other. Glow Recipe's Watermelon Glow Sheet Mask gets its jelliness and amino acid goodness from a blend of watermelon extract and natto gum. I'm so happy to get these. And then I think oh, I know what this is. Okay. There's one more thing. This is by Cosmetics. This is Clean, Clinical, Luxurious. So here is the bag. And this is a jade roller. I think I'm gonna get one in another box upcoming, so watch out for another giveaway. I mentioned my giveaways, right? So this is what it looks like. I have like a rose quartz one and I never use it. Like, but I really want to start using this. So now I want to have like one in my bathroom for like skincare and another one in here. It actually feels cool. Like this side, the smaller side, you can use for like under your eyes and stuff, and this side you can use all over your face. I love the jade color. It's so pretty. I like how it comes in a green case too. So awesome. Let me read more about this. So the Cosmetic Jade Roller is $32. It says the tool your skincare routine has been missing. The Jade Crystal Facial Roller takes your skincare products to another level. By helping boost circulation and pushing your skin to absorb your products better, you'll experience a visible change in your skin glow, your dark circles, and the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Awesome. So I really like this box. I am going to grab my phone and calculate the total because this seems like a really good value. Oh my God, did I just do that right? $268? That's crazy. And I paid like $50, so worth it for sure. Oh my God, I'm so glad I was able to snag this. Okay, so what am I the most excited about? Honestly, I think I will use everything. I'm really excited to try the Elemis product just because I really like Elemis a lot. I'm excited to try this here. I'm excited to try everything. Yeah, every single item. This rarely happens. I am very thrilled with this box. So, did you guys get this? You have to let me know your thoughts. What are you the most excited about? I'm like looking out here, I like feel like so happy right now. I'm like, oh, new stuff. I can't wait to try all of this. I'll probably use like a sheet mask or something later on, or at least this weekend at some point. Happy Friday, by the way. I just remembered it's Friday. Awesome. I love the weekend. I hope you guys have some fun plans. Let me know what you're doing. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.